Navarro, CBS News. Whip Scalise said today he got vaccinated, citing this Delta variant that's going around, and said he's confident that it's safe and effective. Two questions. Have you yourself gotten vaccinated, and do you disagree with the Republican whip?
Well, your first question is a violation of my HIPAA rights. You see, with HIPAA rights, we don't have to reveal our medical records, and that also involves our vaccine records.
Or not, because we believe that there are lives on the line, the lives of people who trust and look up to people like Marjorie Greene or Tucker Carlson or Sean Hannity. Apparently, though, we have been inadvertently breaking the law multiple times. Or so Congresswoman Marjorie Greene would have you believe.
Marjorie Taylor Greene is once again making headlines for having no clue what she's talking about. Yesterday, the Congresswoman shot down a reporter asking about her vaccine status, saying it violated HIPAA rules. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. I'm Caroline Johnson, thanks for watching. According to the wording of the act itself, the following are not required to follow HIPAA guidelines: life insurers, employers, most schools and school districts, law enforcement agencies, many municipal offices, and others. In other words, HIPAA only applies to doctors, nurses, hospitals and clinics, pharmacies, and health insurance companies. Now, Greene doesn't have to answer this question, but using the claim that asking it is a violation of HIPAA as an excuse reveals the depths of her ignorance. It seems as if she's intentionally obfuscating her vaccine status, most likely because she herself is probably even vaccinated, while she rails publicly against the efficacy of the vaccine to her followers. Despite her misinformation, callousness, and straight-up ignorance, there is an important point worth discussing further here. Let's break it down. The sudden and unexpected COVID-19 pandemic has created a tough dilemma in responding to the pandemic while also safeguarding protected health information. And although Marjorie Taylor Greene is wrong in her facts and statements, health privacy is an important part of American life. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Office for Civil Rights has issued guidance to help covered entities and business associates understand their obligations during the pandemic. Ryan Rivas, a partner at a law firm called Hall, Booth & Smith, says that, "I think mandatory vaccination is not a popular position to take, but it might be something where popularity gets overruled by necessity." Marjorie Taylor Greene's harmful rhetoric obscures a real conversation about how we can protect people in the present while not overreaching on civil liberty. The biggest way to do so is to dispel these myths and be straight up transparent about how well the vaccine is working and how rare its negative effects are. It's also crucial to note that not all people who haven't gotten the vaccine are Marjorie Taylor Greene acolytes who think there's a microchip or something in it. Many people have been unable to receive it due to tech and language barriers, as well as a lack of community outreach. Specifically in Los Angeles, where the Delta variant is surging, we have to be cognizant that not all Angelenos have had similar access to outreach and information. The bottom line is that the vaccine is working, and every day it gets easier and easier to get it. Months ago, getting a COVID-19 vaccine could involve frustrating websites and long waits, but that's no longer the case. Around the country, pharmacies, grocery stores, and clinics have same-day appointments and walk-in availability at thousands of locations, which eradicates frustrating tech issues, language barriers, and the need for long-distance drives. Visit vaccines.gov/search and enter your zip code and the distance you're willing to travel. In California, workers have 80 hours to complete any vaccine-related activities. Additionally, free childcare may be available during your visit, and you may also be able to get a free ride to your appointment. Keep spreading the good news about vaccines as far and wide as you can, and know that a lot of the unvaccinated aren't the Marjorie Taylor Greene types, but people who just need more information and assistance. Thanks so much for watching. You can follow me on all platforms at Caro Johnson 917.